Berries are a sign of spring for me. That's why I'm making a berry sarabande. It's berries with cream and fresh mint. Except my berries are frozen. I only have 4 strawberries in the yard right now. Don't tell anyone. It's important to start this recipe with really cold whipping cream and really cold orange juice. That'll make it easier to whip into cream. You also need 4 tablespoons of gelatin that have been dissolved in hot water and then chilled. Start by adding the whipping cream to the mixer. While whipping, slowly add the sugar, cream of tartar, orange juice, and orange zest. Now that you have a luscious cream, you just need to fold in the gelatin and the berries. It's very important to make sure your gelatin is room temp or just slightly cold when you add it to the cream. Also, since these berries were frozen, there's a bit of juice that we don't want. I let that wick away and add the somewhat drier berries into the cream. I don't mix it up so much that I lose the air in the cream, but I also want to get everything mixed together. Now that it's whipped, you put the mixture into a plastic-lined bundt pan and chill it until you serve it. This is gonna be good. Now I just have to get the thing onto a plate. This shouldn't be too hard. You just turn over the pan onto a plate. The plastic should just come right off. After removing the plastic, garnish with some spring flowers. We had some nasturtium, cilantro, and sage flowers blooming, so that's what I used. Also, I picked a sprig of mint, chopped it, and sprinkled it on top, and that's it. It's the perfect springtime dessert, great with a slightly sweet Riesling.